Here at the creek with John fishing today. It is winter, so it's cold. Yeah, anyways.
It's winter, hence why we have jackets and everything.
Yep, and so John got me this Christmas gift.
It's definitely Christmas today for sure.
Okay, let's give it a peek, because oh my, no way, dude, come on, man. No, this is too much. This is too much. Not the trout magnets and the mystery tackle box. Dude, you're crazy. This is like so expensive. Oh my, dude. Oh, dude. This is too much. This is too much. This is too much. Look at this. Crazy. I haven't tried these before, but I think they'll work really well. Oh, you trying to get me to use the panfish trout mystery tackle?
I've never had one of those, so like maybe you can. I don't know what they have.
Dude, no, we should definitely try this, but maybe next time. Next time we'll do it together. Another thing we got today is this pen rod I got from Temu for like $8. Yeah, I thought it was gonna be a spinning rod because of the picture, but they gave me this thing. After looking at different videos on YouTube, not a single person can cast this reel because like the handle just spins while you cast.
Really?
Yeah, so it just doesn't it doesn't go anywhere. My plan is to use like a sinker rig, and hopefully that like weight will be able to like get it out there.
This is why I lose you.
This man's net came off.
It didn't come off. I just put it here.
Oh wait, we got some tracks. Let's see where that guy went. There's another angler who came earlier than us. We saw him at the parking lot. Seems like he went upstream. You make the call. All right. So we came downstream quite a ways, following a trail along the creek. Now we're gonna come over and take a little peek. What do we have here? Was this like 2 feet of water at most? We gotta find a pool. Oh, another one of these. All right, ready? Let's go. Woo! Yeah.
You should really have one foot in front of the other, because if you fall like this and you slip,
oh yeah,
you're dying.
No, but it's okay. I'm a pro. Don't worry about it. Oh, is it already falling apart?
The real handle's on the wrong side.
Oh, not for me. Here we go.
Brother.
John just had a great idea of checking the stock schedule. I think 2 days ago. 2 days ago, they just stocked this water.
And they stock it over there, right?
Upstream. We just came downstream a long ways. No, they stock it like at Pikachu too. Oh, we're going back. We're going straight back. Well, how long was that? Like an hour of just walking and not even. John made a few casts. I didn't even make a single cast yet. Moment of truth. Careful.
Look how many shells are here.
Look at that, guys. There's a lot of shells. Since this can't really cast, I think this will be a good place to kind of vertically drop this in. Whoa, shoot. Hit my finger, hold on. Get my finger out of the way. Okay. Dang it! They were right. I can't really cast this thing. It just gets stuck somehow. The heck? Why won't this thing go? Okay, this drag knob is almost off. Oh, dang. Seems like I have to throw this in. Oh my gosh. Okay, either this worm got bit or like it broke off.
Oh, seeing little fishes.
What? Really? Oh, yeah, dude, those are like mosquito fish. That's the only way. That's the only, what else can I do? This thing won't even turn. I need some like WD-40 or something. Yeah, drop the rod right here. Let me try the trout magnet. Okay, that's pretty good. Wait, am I feeling something? Thought I felt some like vibration. Like very, very light, but very high frequency vibration.
On that entire setup, there were a couple chairs, wood fire. You're not allowed ground fires here, but whatever.
Yeah, it's a whole catch and cook setup. What about over there?
Yeah, I was gonna tell you. We should still
Yeah, that does look pretty good. Look at this.
Alright, so I just walked over some thorns. Pretty sure I'm bleeding. Pretty sure I have some
Holy
things.
crap. I have one more band-aid.
That's a lot of blood.
Yeah, why would you wipe your blood?
Never got a thorn in the face before.
I've never seen anyone manage to do that out loud. Trying to cover 2 spots with one. Perfect, look at this. Upside down Yoda on your face. And we haven't got any fish, but thanks for making content. You need help? Pull! Okay, I think he actually needs help. Oh, dude, that sound. Oh, you got out? Nice.
Yeah, I'm out.
Oh, football. Hey, John. Terrible throw. I'm not American. Oh, nice. Nice. That's a good toss. How do you get that spin? I can't get that spin up.
I vaguely remember, but
I got it. It came back. The spot looks pretty nice. Make it an update, software update on the worm. Okay, this should work. Okay, that's better. Came back to our very initial cove deep pool spot where the other angler was earlier. He left. So now we can start fishing here. Are you kidding me? I wasn't recording the whole time? No way. Dang it. So John had to leave. He had some stuff to do. I'm at a different location right now. My so-called secret spot. I like to fish here in the winter. Usually catch some fall fish, suckers, stuff like that over here, multi-species. Still have that one red wiggler on. Got some nibbles earlier. 1, 2, 3. No, it's not good. 2, 3. See, it keeps getting caught on this handle thing. Got some nibbles earlier, and it stops. And this is always the case. I'll toss in a worm, maybe a minute later, I'll get and then nothing. The whole piece of worm is still on there, intact. 2, 3. Dang, sucks. That was a bad cast. 1, 2, and a 3. Okay, better. That's good. That's good. That's good. Right there. Well, how's your day going, guys? How's fishing been? Because as you can see, not so great for me and John today. Come on, take it, take it, take it. Oh, do I have it? No, I don't think I have it. I don't think I have it. I don't think I have it. I have it. I have it. What is this? Oh, let's go. Finally. Oh my gosh. Dude, this fish is so small. Even the pen rod is like handling with no problem. Oh, finally, guys. See that? I think it's a fall fish. Check out this fish. Should be just a fall fish, right? Not a creek chub, I think. Creek chub. Oh my gosh. That only took forever. Not the fight I was looking for on a pen rod. Last thing, I just wanted to show you guys, turn on this roach, right? I mean, it's not the heaviest lure, but it is pretty heavy, right? I can do this, it will not even drop, right? Look at this. If you buy a pen rod, don't get this version of reel. The rod is decent durability for what it is. So your regular sized reels will not fit on this rod. This is specially made, it's smaller. Thank you guys for watching. Guess that'll be it for today. See you guys in the next video. Oh, I'm snagged, are you kidding me?